Hi, welcome to Sonny's The Car Wash Factory. I'm Reggie Flanagan, Vice President of the Car Wash Controls Division. One question we hear a lot here is how and when should I retract tunnel equipment? First, if your tunnel controller software has a technology retract equipment based on sensors detecting a truck bed, a trailer hitch, I would start there using the automated retracts. Every software provider programs retracts different, so I would visit the manual, call technical support, get help configuring the equipment to automatically retract. Utilizing the automatic retracts is always going to be your first route to go. Second, if your software provider can't automatically retract necessary equipment based on the combination of vehicles you wash, it's time to set up some single retracts or even retract packages. Start by determining why you want to retract equipment. It'll lead you to the when to retract and then move on to what equipment needs to be retracted as you discover the whys. You want to retract for open truck beds, trailer hitches, potentially side mirrors, grill guards, and damaged vehicles. So sometimes there's damage to the fenders, to the mirrors, to the bumpers, things like that. Now that you know why you want to retract equipment, meaning open truck beds, visualize the tunnel and begin building out what needs to be retracted so you still produce a clean, dry, and shiny vehicle, but are not damaging equipment or vehicles, wasting water or chemicals. For example, if you wanted to create a retract package for an open truck bed, you would have your top brush retract after the cab, chemicals and water that would fill the truck bed turn off at the cab, and above head blowers turn off at the cab to prevent blowing anything out of the open truck bed. Also create a trailer hitch retract to stop the wraps from swinging around to the back of the truck to catching the hitch. When you combine the two, you've now effectively retracted a truck with a trailer hitch. Now all of this is great, but don't forget to train your staff to recognize the reasons to retract equipment and take action on it. And there you have it, for why and when to retract equipment. Work backwards coming up with the why to retract, and you'll quickly discover the when, and then look to the equipment you need to retract and create a single or multi-function retract packages. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash operation questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ.